Manufacturer kits for tiny house septic systems cut permit hurdles and speed installation. Manufacturers offer small-scale packaged aerobic treatment units that are sized for tiny flow systems and include blowers, aeration chambers, and internal baffles, so you do not need to design a complex multiple tank system. When choosing a kit, match the rated flow and organic loading to your expected occupancy and include a margin for occasional guests. Oversizing by about 20% reduces clogging and alarms. Look for compact dosing and drip dispersal kits that combine a low-pressure dosing pump, timer or level control, and factory-built header manifolds, so you can install a subsurface drip field without custom hydraulic calculations. Prefabricated riser and filter kits speed tank access and routine maintenance. Choose risers that come with gasketed lids and a replaceable effluent filter size to trap solids down to 1/4 inch. Prioritize vendors that provide certification documentation for permitting and that offer local technical support or contractor referrals to streamline inspections and final approvals. Finally, confirm ongoing parts availability for pumps, diffusers, and electronic controllers, and ask about lead times so you can plan a simple preventative maintenance schedule and avoid long system downtime. Common mistakes include undersizing the treatment unit, which causes frequent alarms and effluent bypass. Correct this by calculating peak daily flow from household fixtures and adding a safety margin. Another frequent issue is using a conventional gravity field when site conditions limit infiltration, which leads to system failure and surface pooling. Use a compact drip dispersal kit or mound system designed for low flow instead. A third problem is poor access for maintenance because installers omit risers and filters. Specifying prefabricated riser and replaceable filter kits at purchase prevents costly excavation later and keeps routine service fast and safe. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare manufacturer kits and locate tiny house-specific vendors and local contractors to install and service compact septic systems. We also host an active discussion community where we share field experiences, vendor recommendations, and troubleshooting tips to help both homeowners and contractors find work and make informed choices.